Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at Tiesfong A99WB 3-channel dash cam that comes with a 120GB memory card, which can shoot in 4K front, 1080p rear and inside cabin camera, as well as a built-in parking radar which can detect movement from 360 degrees. So let's take a look at what's in the box. The user manual, the A99WB dash cam unit, which has a nice solid and sturdy feel, a sleek design, and a rotatable front-facing inside cabin camera. The hardwiring kit, some electrostatic sheets, CPL lens filter, some extra adhesives, USB-C cable, extra adhesives, wiring clips, cable organizer, USB stick card reader, pry tool, and a hardwire kit using OBD. This is a great alternative for hardwiring your dash cam, and you can set the voltage limiter to 11.8, 12.0 or 12.2 volts to prevent the unit from draining your car's battery during the parking mode. You also get the rear cam, and mind that it's not waterproof, so you have to install it on the inside of the windshield. And this is everything you get in the box. And we'll take a closer look at the CPL lens filter. It basically reduces the refraction of light from the car windscreen, so it's easily attachable to your dashcam lens. The rear camera records in 1080p and at a 140-degree wide angle. The front camera can record in 4K with a 140-degree wide angle. And the interior camera records at a 170-degree wide angle view. The display is 3.16 inches and the unit feels really dense, sturdy, and good quality. The inside camera also comes with night vision with 4 infrared LED lights. It comes with a 120GB memory card, and to power it up, I'll be using a portable battery by Goal Zero. See the links in the description down below for more information on where you can get it. I use this for all my dash cam review videos, and it's great for when you need power on the go. As soon as it's powered up, it will automatically begin to record. You can long press the OK button to open the Wi-Fi, press M to open the menu, up and down buttons to move left and right, and press OK to enter. You can view and play back your recorded videos, in video type, you can check your normal videos, parking videos, or event videos. Change the volume. Camera IDs A, B, C, or D, which would be for your front camera, rear camera, inside cabin camera, to delete your videos or protect them. Choose to record sound or no sound, and then you can enter your settings, turning on the Wi-Fi. In movie mode, you can choose how you want to set up your cameras, record just the front in 4K, or record the front and the cabin in 4K 1080p, or record the front 4K and rear 1080p, or record all 3 cameras at the same time. Infrared LED on and off for auto, Loop record in 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute segments. Adjust your G-sensor settings, which detects any collision or movements. Change language, and they have in English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Chinese, Dutch, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Turkish, Thai, Dutch, and Arabic. Choose how long you want the screensaver to be activated, in 1 minute, in 3 minutes, or never. Format your card or reset everything back to factory settings. View your GPS status. Change your speed units into kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Change your time zone. Turn on and off daylight saving time. Simply press the OK button to start recording. And press it one more time to stop recording. Long press the OK button to turn on the Wi-Fi, or long press it again to turn it off. Once you're connected, you'll see your dashcam ID name, TS_dashcam. Then you'll be able to connect it to your smartphone by connecting to the Wi-Fi. And you can download the free smartphone app by scanning their QR code in the user menu or searching Tiesfong in the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, connect to your dashcam's Wi-Fi, then select Add Recorder to add the dashcam to the app, and you can find your dashcam 786 and connect to the DVR. Once you're connected, you can now have a live stream view of your dashcam on your smartphone. From your smartphone, you can now play back video files that were recorded on the dashcam. You can now remote control your dashcam from your smartphone, stop and starting recording or taking pictures. Go into recorder settings, and you can see the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, recording duration per file, formatting the SD card, and then your camera version. You can also view and play back recorded videos from your dashcam on your smartphone. And by selecting, then you can even download them directly onto your phone for easy sharing and transferring. From here, you can view them when you're not connected to the dashcam anymore. You can choose to share it, send it, delete them. And now we're going to connect the rear camera to the dashcam unit. Simply plug it into the jack. Then you'll need to go into movie mode and select the option 4K front and rear 1080p or 2K front and 1080p times 2, which is cabin camera and rear camera. Once you make your selection, the dashcam will automatically reboot and start up again with your rear view camera enabled. And now you'll see the front camera and the rear camera display together. You can choose to see any arrangement of the three cameras you like, all three of them at the same time, or just the front, or just the front and the rear, or just the front and the inside cabin camera. Here we're taking a look at all three cameras at once: the front, the inside camera, and the rear camera. Or you can simply press the triangle button to toggle between the cameras and your viewing preference. The built-in radar in the parking mode can detect moving objects 1 to 3 meters or 3 to 5 meters from your vehicle. The red light indicates that it's powered on. Now you can find the ODB port on the underside of the driver's seat and simply plug it in. And once it's in, you'll see a green light which indicates that the voltage of your car battery is higher than the voltage minimum that you've set. You can choose a voltage limiter from 11.8 volts, 12.0, or 12.2 volts. 11.8 volts is the recommended. Here's a sample of the radar detecting movement around the car, and it turned on and automatically began recording a video. And again, on the front camera, it detected movement, someone walking around the car, and began recording a video. So it's a great way to save memory card space, that it's not recording all the time, it's only recording when there's activity or motion happening around your vehicle. And here's a couple of video samples of the 4K front camera on a overcast day, as well as a 1080p rear camera. And remember, it has to be installed on the inside of the car because it's not waterproof. And the inside cabin camera, which can capture everything that's going on inside the car as well as your blind spots. So you get full 360-degree coverage from the 3-channel dash camera. So if you're in the market looking for a dash camera for your car, consider taking a look at Tiesfong's A99WB 3-channel dash cam, which comes with everything you need to get started right away, including the hardwire kit, which is necessary in order for you to use a 24-hour parking monitor feature. And don't forget, it also comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and free app that you can download from the Google Play Store, so that you can remote access your dash camera from your smartphone, including viewing playback videos, downloading and transferring them, sharing it, and even remotely controlling your dash cam from your smartphone. So all these features make this camera a really good buy, great value for its price point. For more information on this dash cam or where you can get it, please check the links down below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe, as it really helps me out. And until next time, guys.